welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's video, I'm gonna be drawing a llama. Llama is a character that I haven't drawn in a while, so bear with me and let us draw a very cute llama together. Starting off, I want to draw the fluffy llama's head. Here I'm going to do all these half semi-circles to show the fluff around the llama. Llama are generally like very woolly animals. They have two coats of soft undercoat and of course overcoat as well. That's like difficult to kind of separate from one another. Here I'm just going to draw in the llama's ears as well. Sometimes I actually get llamas confused with alpacas. Alpacas are generally like with like very soft hairs, but they only have one coat of hair. And the other thing to note is that llamas generally have like a longer face, and they're usually a lot bigger. But all in all, like they're not completely the same. Alpacas are a bit smaller and they usually have shorter ears. Here for the llama, I'm just drawing in a circle, and inside the circle just the nose and the mouth. I also want to draw in the two eyes for the llama. I think this llama just looks so cute already. I'm so excited about it. And then I'm going to add in some eyelashes for this llama because I think he'll look, or she will look really cute that way. But if you want, you can leave out the eyelashes and make the llama a little bit less feminine. Here I'm going to do the llama's body. I'm not actually drawing toes and feet for each of the llama's leg because I feel like the llama is so fluffy. It's just going to have like little stubby legs. Here I'm going to have a little bit of a piece of blanket that's over its back. From here, I'm just going to continue doing the fluffy body on the back. If you want, your llama can have a much larger body. Here I also did a bit of a tail at the back. And these are the legs for the llama. You can see that they're just like really short, small legs. I think it just looks really cute that way. Of course, for your drawing, you can personalize it so the llama has longer legs if you would like. And from there, I'm going to start coloring in my llama. Now for the blanket itself, I love the idea of having like a checker blanket, so I thought I would like play around the ideas of like different color combination with a checker blanket. Of course, if you like, you can draw in shapes or initials for the person that you're gifting this drawing to. So here at the same time, you can color in the llama's ears as well as the face. You can do different colors if you would like. For me, I was gonna leave my llama as a fluffy white llama, but of course you can use rainbow colors as well, or your favorite color, like it's like a light purple or pink or a yellow fluffy llama. Just use your imagination and have fun with it. So after coloring the face, of course I have to color the legs as well, making sure to color within the lines and not leaving any white gaps. For the llama's nose, you can leave it white if you like, or a different color. For me, I decided to add on a brown, and then after this, I'm gonna start coloring the checker blanket. Of course, for the rest of the llama's fluffy fur, I'm leaving it white like I mentioned before, but use your imagination. You can have a polka dotted llama if you would like, and if it was polka dotted, what kind of color polka dots do you imagine having the llama have all over its body? Here I'm gonna do a checker blanket. Of course, I can also do hearts on it if I was doing Valentine's, or if I was adding this to a Christmas card for someone who really likes llamas. I might do like some holly on it, or a Christmas tree, or like drawing Frosty on it as well. After wrapping up the blanket, I'm just going to add in some background for the llama to make this drawing a little bit more interesting. I always love telling stories behind my drawings because I think having meaning behind the drawing makes it so much more interesting when you're telling someone about why you're drawing what you're drawing, and it also makes it a little bit more personalized. So for me, I'm going to have a llama outdoors with like some fresh blades of grass. For the grass, I'm just using like a lime green color. Of course, there's some long blades, some shorter blades. Also, I'm gonna draw in the sun in the corner, and if you want, you can add in some clouds. You can also consider adding accessories for your llama, like a hat or a bow tie, or it could be like some hair ties, like bows in the hair as well. So lots of different ideas to make the llama unique and a little bit of your own. So here, just wrapping up drawing my son, but I'm basically done. So here's a good look at how the piece looks like as a whole. Of course, I've given you lots of ideas for how you can use your own imagination to make your drawing unique. You can also incorporate this into a card, or like maybe thinking about who you plan on gifting this to can give you some fresh ideas on how to make this llama unique and special in its own way. So here's a closer look at the art piece. I hope you enjoy this special step-by-step draw of me for this llama drawing. I'll love to hear from you if there are other artwork you'd like me to draw in the future, other cartoons or animals. Please comment below. And if you like the content on this channel, I appreciate it very much if you consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for considering, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.